Hello guys, this is SMH Cube here, and today I have a pretty exciting unboxing from Speed Cube Shop. So, there are two Cosmic Cubes that I've been waiting quite a while to get, and I'm very excited for. Oh, and there's a little gift that comes with it as well. There's a little note thing, some stuff, and a business card. So there's that as well. And, oh yeah, the little, how about we open this first? Little Z 2x2x3. So this is I heard that this is an extremely difficult puzzle to solve. It's probably the hardest, now that I have it, it's probably the hardest in my collection. Let's see if I can do it. Scrambling it, it's okay. Okay, this looks scrambled. That was a very difficult solve. I don't think I could ever do that again. Yeah, in all seriousness, this is actually pretty cool. Okay. See what this is. This is fairly cool. This is a magnetic volt square 1. Okay. Yeah, right now it feels quite stiff, but that's how all cubes feel. And I'm stupid, because I think I messed up parity. Yeah, I'm stupid. I wasn't thinking, and I completely messed up parity, even though I've done it so many times. Let's just solve this and get some first impressions out of this cube. Now, obviously, right now it's pretty slow, but I'm sure after breaking in, it will be a lot better. Yeah. Oh, whoa! Already, it's like really nice. Like, I'm starting to like this a lot. Yeah, this is really nice. And what's funny is it reminds me of my Cosmic 7x7. Like, the way it feels when you do turns, it feels like that. Not to do myself by doing parody and not messing it up. Wait, I'm stupid. I just did parody in that song. Never mind. Yeah, I'm really liking this cube already out of the box. I'm very sure that's my new main over my regular Volt. And my regular Volt's starting to get stripped anyway. And here's the other cube. It's the Cosmic Cube. Well, at first it looked like it didn't have my color scheme on it, but it just was tinted through the thing. When I opened it, I was like, oh yeah, that's cool. At first I was like, oh, maybe I forgot to put my color scheme on, but no, I didn't. I already have a regular Wingy, but that doesn't have my color scheme on it, and I was able to get this, so let's see how this sounds. Right now, it's like a lot of Cosmic Cubes are out of the box, but this feels, yeah, it feels really nice. I probably have to break it in to get better opinions of it, but it feels better than a regular Wingy. It's just a little stiff right now, so it's probably I wouldn't be able to get fast solves on it. But I'm gonna break it in and see how it is after breaking. Yeah. I was really excited for this unboxing, and I was waiting quite a while for it because there's issues with shipping. But I'm very happy that it's finally here, and it was definitely worth the wait because these puzzles are absolutely amazing. I know the square one is definitely very good because I can tell how good it is before even breaking it in. This cube, I'm gonna have to break it in some more. Yeah, it's kind of how like my Cosmic Wooshwong felt. It felt like really stiff out of the box, and the and after a bunch of solves. Yeah, it's the Wooshwong that felt more like this cube, not the Fusion Red. But yeah, this feels more like that, and like now my Wooshwong's like amazing. It feels really nice right now. But yeah, I'm gonna do some solves on these, and hopefully they get I can break these in and they become even better than they are right now. And this is pretty cool as well. This little small gift thing that comes with it. Yeah. Let's just put it in a checkerboard pattern. Yeah, that's it for the unboxing today, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.